Hi! Most of the time LED lights are disposable, like light bulbs, but bigger units, like this one, can be repaired. This one broke down, so I'll try to fix it. These standalone panels can come in different configurations, but they are usually composed of an LED string and a driver, like in this case. The driver is usually a current-limited AC to DC converter. On a regular power supply, you can usually turn it on and measure the output, but these LED drivers often have an open circuit detection, which means they detect the string is open or disconnected and automatically shut down, so you'll just read 0 volts even with it connected to the mains. In this one, I started with a string, which is actually a kind of strange. Instead of a series of LEDs, they were 2 LEDs in parallel and then each of those pairs in series. I don't know why. To test them, I've scrapped a bit of the solder mask so I can connect an external power supply to test the LEDs. Make sure you use some sort of current limiting so you don't burn the LEDs you're testing. You can see that if I connect the power supply to these test points that I've created, the pair lights up. So I just had to do this for every single pair and see if one was broken. There is an X because I've already found the broken pair. Removing the lens, we can see the typical black dot on burned LEDs. Because this is a current-limited driver, it doesn't really matter how many LEDs you have in series. In fact, the driver claims it can go up to 250 volts DC, limited to 260 milliamps. This means I can just bypass the broken LEDs and it should work. Today I just have my phone, so I had to do this off camera. But I simply soldered a shunt wire across the broken LEDs. I'll plug it in now, and it works as expected, with a bit less intensity because it has 2 less LEDs.